In this procedure, we will be replacing the middle frame assembly on a SureShade Power Bimini. The tools required for this procedure are a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, an electric drill, and a Phillips bit. With the Bimini partially extended, unzip the middle pocket of the Bimini canvas. At the H bracket, use the Phillips screwdriver to hold the barrel nut in place. Use the electric screwdriver to remove the shoulder bolt from the other side. Repeat on the opposite side of the frame. Now you can remove the middle frame assembly from the H bracket on both sides. Insert the new middle frame assembly strut ends into the H brackets. Once in position, insert barrel nut into H bracket and install shoulder bolt through H bracket into barrel nut. Then repeat on opposite side. Finally, zip up the middle pocket of the Bimini canvas. This completes the middle frame assembly replacement procedure on a SureShade Power Bimini.